Ever wondered how to turn your credit card cash back into more cash back? If you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer with a Rogers Bank MasterCard, you've probably heard of the Rogers Redemption Bonus. It's a game changer that significantly boosts the value of your rewards, but how exactly is it calculated? It's one of the best perks in Canadian cashback, taking a great card and making it exceptional, but the math behind the bonus can sometimes feel a little fuzzy. So, today, we're going to break it down simply and clearly, so you can maximize your spending. The core idea is simple. Rogers rewards you for using your cashback rewards to pay for Rogers, Fido, or Shaw products and services. Here is the formula. Your cashback rewards balance $times $1.50 equals your final redemption value. Let's put some real numbers to that. Say you've been using your card and you've accumulated $100 in cashback rewards. If you redeem that $100 towards any non-Rogers purchase, like groceries, gas, or a regular online shopping item, you get a straight-up credit of $100 on your statement. That's your one-to-one value. However, if you redeem that same $100 towards an eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchase, the redemption bonus kicks in. You take your $100 and multiply it by 1.5. This gives you a total redemption credit of $150 against that Rogers purchase. You're essentially getting 50% extra on your cash back when you use it within the Rogers ecosystem. Now, let's look at the effective cash back rate to really understand the power of this bonus. Most Rogers MasterCard holders with an eligible Rogers service earn a baseline of 2% cash back on their everyday non-USD purchases. When you factor in the 1.5x redemption bonus on top of that base earn rate, your effective cash back rate for Rogers-related spending jumps up to a full 3%. Here's the math on that. $text, 2% base rate, times 1.5 equals text, 3% effective cash back rate, $. This 3% is one of the highest cash back rates available in Canada for a no annual fee card, and it's all thanks to that 1.5x bonus. To ensure you get this maximum value, remember two final things. First, this bonus is only applied when you redeem your rewards for eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases, like a monthly bill payment or a device purchase. Second, the easiest and most reliable way to redeem with the 1.5x bonus is directly through the Rogers Bank mobile app, where eligible purchases are clearly marked. The Rogers redemption bonus isn't complex math, it's just a multiplier. Take what you earned, multiply it by 1.5, and enjoy the extra savings. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.